Tired of missing out on cool iOS games just because they're not available in your region? Today, I'm showing you how to download and install iOS apps through the Taptap platform, opening up a world of mobile gaming possibilities. Buckle up, let's dive in. First things first, you need the Taptap app. Open your app store and search for Taptap. You'll see the Taptap app appear in your search results. Tap the Get button and confirm your download. Once it's downloaded and installed, open the Taptap app. You might be prompted to allow notifications. This is up to you as it does not impact gameplay. Inside the app, there's a search bar. Use it to look for the game you want to download. Let's say you want a specific game that isn't available in your country. Type in the game's name. When you find the game, tap its icon. You'll be taken to the game's information page. Now, look for the download button. It usually has a cloud and a downward pointing arrow. Tap it. The download will begin. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted to install the app. After you allow installation via Taptap, you'll follow through the verification. Now you have the game successfully installed on your phone, and you're ready to play.